Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics in human biology, a positive blood type. Did you know that your blood type can reveal a lot about your health, personality, and even your ancestry? Well, today we've gathered 50 long, detailed, and mind-blowing facts about a positive blood type that you probably didn't know before. So sit back, relax, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends. Let's see how many of you out there have a positive blood. Now, let's get started. A positive blood type is one of the most common in the world, found in about 30% of people globally. It carries the A antigen and the Rh factor on red blood cells. This combination allows a positive individuals to donate to a positive and AB positive recipients, making their blood vital in emergency transfusions and surgeries. A positive individuals can receive blood from a positive, a negative, O positive, and O negative donors. This compatibility makes it easier for hospitals to find suitable matches during emergencies. However, their plasma is more limited in compatibility, making plasma donation specific to A or AB types only. The A in a positive refers to the presence of A antigens on the surface of red blood cells. These tiny molecular markers determine how your immune system reacts to foreign blood types. The positive refers to the Rh factor, a protein that either exists plus or doesn't minus on your red cells. Scientists believe the A blood type evolved between 20,000 and 25,000 years ago during the transition from hunting to agriculture. As diets and lifestyles changed, genetic adaptations favored blood groups like A, which might have provided advantages in resisting certain bacterial infections linked to farming environments. A positive blood type is particularly common among people of European and Asian ancestry. Studies show that up to 35% of Europeans and around 30% of Asians have a positive blood. In contrast, it's much rarer among African and indigenous populations, where O positive remains the most dominant blood type. In blood transfusion medicine, a positive blood is considered highly valuable because it's needed by a large portion of patients. Since both A and Rh positive individuals are widespread, hospitals consistently require a positive donations to maintain supply levels, especially for trauma and surgical procedures. The immune system of a positive individuals produces anti-B antibodies, which means if they receive blood containing B antigens, their body will recognize it as foreign and attack it. This immune reaction is why matching blood types during transfusions is so critical to prevent serious health complications. According to some studies, people with a blood types, including a positive, may have a higher risk of developing heart disease and certain cancers. Researchers believe it's related to the specific antigens affecting inflammation and cholesterol metabolism. Maintaining a balanced diet and active lifestyle can help reduce these risks. A positive individuals are thought to metabolize stress hormones like cortisol more slowly. This means they might experience prolonged stress responses compared to other blood types. Regular meditation, exercise, and good sleep routines are especially beneficial for maintaining hormonal balance and emotional stability. In pregnancy, the Rh factor of a positive blood plays a critical role. If an A negative mother carries an A positive baby, her immune system might recognize the baby's blood as foreign. Doctors prevent complications by giving an Rh immunoglobulin injection, which protects both mother and baby from immune reactions. People with a positive blood generally have lower levels of stomach acid, which can make it harder to digest red meat. This is one reason why nutritionists often suggest that a positive individuals thrive better on plant-based diets rich in vegetables, fruits, and grains rather than heavy animal protein sources. The blood type diet theory, though debated, suggests that a positive individuals perform better with light proteins like tofu, soy, fish, and legumes. These foods match their metabolic tendencies and help maintain steady energy levels. While not scientifically proven, many positive people report feeling healthier on such diets. Positive blood donors are often encouraged to give platelets and plasma. Platelets from positive donors can help patients undergoing chemotherapy or major surgeries. Each donation has the potential to save multiple lives, making a positive donors a vital part of the global healthcare system. In ancient blood research, scientists found that type A blood might have evolved as a defense mechanism against certain bacterial infections. The A antigen possibly helped people living in dense agricultural communities resist new pathogens that emerged when humans began domesticating animals and farming intensively. Studies during the COVID-19 pandemic suggested that people with A blood types, including a positive, might be slightly more susceptible to the virus than those with O blood types. Scientists theorize that the A antigen could interact differently with the virus's surface proteins, affecting how easily infection occurs. A positive individuals are less likely to contract severe malaria than those with O blood. The Plasmodium parasite that causes malaria attaches differently to A-type red blood cells, making infection progression slower. This small evolutionary benefit may have contributed to the persistence of the A blood group in some populations. A positive blood has specific glycoproteins that influence how pathogens interact with the immune system. These sugar-like molecules can determine how easily bacteria or viruses attach to red blood cells. This microscopic feature partly explains why different blood types respond differently to infections and medications. In personality studies, especially in Japan, A positive people are often described as calm, organized, and responsible. Though this theory lacks scientific backing, it's widely believed that A types value harmony and stability. Employers in Japan sometimes even consider blood type in team building and hiring decisions. People with a positive blood tend to have slightly thicker blood due to higher fibrinogen levels. This makes clotting more efficient during injuries, but may increase the risk of blood clots in certain individuals. Staying hydrated, active, and avoiding smoking can help maintain healthy blood flow. The presence of the Rh factor in a positive individuals is determined by a gene on chromosome 1. This genetic trait is inherited from parents and plays a major role in determining compatibility during blood transfusions and pregnancies. It's one of the key elements doctors test during prenatal checkups. A positive individuals are often found to have higher total cholesterol levels than O types. Researchers suggest that A antigens might influence lipid metabolism and liver enzyme activity. Because of this, A positive people are encouraged to eat heart-friendly foods like nuts, olive oil, and leafy greens to protect cardiovascular health. People with a positive blood type metabolize caffeine slower due to differences in liver enzyme activity. This means caffeine stays longer in their system, leading to prolonged alertness or jitters. Moderation is key for A positive individuals who enjoy coffee or energy drinks to avoid sleep disruption and anxiety. A positive blood types are more prone to allergic reactions and autoimmune conditions, as their immune systems tend to react strongly to foreign substances. The same quick immune response that protects them from infection can sometimes overreact, causing allergies or sensitivities to certain environmental triggers. A positive blood is crucial in pediatric medicine. Children needing frequent transfusions, such as those with leukemia or anemia, often benefit from A positive blood. Because it's so common, maintaining steady supplies in blood banks ensures hospitals can meet these urgent needs without delays in treatment. During surgery or trauma cases, A positive blood is among the first requested by doctors. Since a significant portion of patients belong to this group, hospitals rely on consistent donations to replenish stock. This makes A positive donors invaluable in emergency and disaster response medical systems worldwide. A positive individuals have slightly different gut microbiota compared to other blood groups. Studies show that blood antigens can influence which bacteria thrive in the intestines. This affects digestion, immunity, and even mood regulation, highlighting how deeply connected blood type is to our overall health system. Because A positive is Rh positive, it's considered safer in transfusions than Rh negative types, which are rarer and harder to match. This Rh protein prevents immune rejection in most transfusions, making A positive one of the most reliable types for use in emergency and general hospital situations. Research suggests positive individuals have a slightly higher risk of stomach cancer due to differences in immune response to Helicobacter pylori, the bacteria linked with ulcers. Regular health checkups, balanced diet, and probiotic intake can help maintain gut health and lower this potential risk. In forensic science, blood type testing can help narrow down suspects or confirm identity. A positive blood leaves behind specific antigen traces that are distinguishable under lab conditions. Though DNA analysis is more accurate, blood typing still plays a supporting role in modern criminal investigations. A positive blood type has been linked with slower wound healing in some studies due to differences in clotting factor balance. However, its slightly thicker consistency allows for faster initial scabbing. This unique balance helps positive individuals recover efficiently when they maintain good nutrition and hydration. Positive individuals tend to show higher empathy and emotional intelligence. Studies suggest that the A antigen might influence serotonin regulation, subtly affecting mood and social behavior. While not scientifically conclusive, this observation has made positive personalities known for their caring and emotionally stable nature. People with positive blood may recover more slowly from viral infections like influenza or common cold. Their immune system reacts strongly, but can take longer to return to a normal state. A balanced diet rich in vitamins C and D, along with adequate sleep, helps boost recovery and immune resilience. In genetic research, positive individuals often share ancestry links with early agricultural civilizations. Their blood type reflects an adaptation to grain-based diets and sedentary lifestyles. This historical connection offers clues about how ancient human migrations shaped today's global blood type distribution. Positive blood is highly demanded in organ and tissue donation. Because it's common, organs from positive donors are easier to match with recipients. This improves transplant success rates and reduces waiting times, making positive donors a critical part of national and international medical donation programs. Positive people are advised to manage stress carefully. Their cortisol levels rise quickly and remain elevated longer than in other blood types. Chronic stress can increase heart risks and fatigue. Mindfulness, exercise, and good sleep hygiene can help regulate their hormonal balance and maintain overall wellness. Scientific studies have noted that people with positive blood might have slightly higher platelet counts than average. This contributes to effective blood clotting and wound healing. However, it also means positive individuals should stay hydrated and active to prevent unwanted blood thickening or clot formation. In nutritional genetics, positive individuals often show favorable responses to diets rich in antioxidants and plant fibers. These foods help regulate blood pressure and cholesterol. Foods like spinach, berries, nuts, and green tea are particularly beneficial for maintaining cardiovascular and digestive health in positive people. Positive individuals have a slightly lower natural testosterone level compared to O types, which can influence muscle growth and metabolism. Regular physical activity, especially resistance training, helps maintain hormonal balance and energy. This trait also contributes to their calmer, more measured behavioral patterns. During blood transfusions, positive blood is considered a preferred match for many patients because it minimizes immune reactions. Hospitals rely heavily on its availability. Since it can safely receive O and a type blood, it offers flexibility in emergency transfusion scenarios, saving countless lives every day. In behavioral studies, positive people are observed to perform better in structured environments. Their blood type has been loosely linked to higher dopamine stability, promoting focus and organization. This might explain why many positive individuals excel in careers that require planning, consistency, and attention to detail. Positive blood carriers are known to respond particularly well to calming exercises such as yoga, deep breathing, and Tai Chi. These activities reduce cortisol buildup and support healthy blood circulation. Because their stress response lasts longer, such relaxation methods can greatly benefit their mental and physical balance. Red blood cells in positive individuals have a specific carbohydrate structure that affects how bacteria attach to the body. This makes them more resistant to some bacterial strains, but slightly more prone to viral infections. Scientists continue studying how these molecular differences influence overall disease resistance. From an evolutionary viewpoint, a positive blood represents adaptability. It allowed early humans to thrive and settle communities by offering immunity advantages against farming-related diseases. This evolutionary trait continues to show how the environment and lifestyle shaped genetic diversity in the human blood group system. A positive blood plays an important role in stem cell and immunology research. Because it's common and well documented, scientists often use it in experiments studying immune reactions and cellular therapies. This helps develop new treatments for diseases like leukemia, anemia, and immune deficiency disorders. People with a positive blood often show a stronger antibody response to vaccines, such as the flu shot. Their immune systems tend to retain memory of antigens more efficiently. This enhanced immune recall provides better long-term protection, making vaccinations especially effective for positive individuals when taken regularly. Positive individuals are more prone to developing blood clots when exposed to long periods of inactivity, such as long flights. The thicker nature of their blood increases clot risk slightly. Experts recommend moving around frequently and drinking water during travel to keep blood circulation healthy and steady. In blood donation programs, a positive blood is among the most requested because of its high prevalence and compatibility. 1 unit of donated blood from an A-positive donor can save up to 3 lives through separated components: red cells, plasma, and platelets, making every donation incredibly valuable. Ancient civilizations, including Egyptians and Greeks, associated certain blood traits with personality and spiritual power. A-type individuals were often linked with leadership, patience, and wisdom. Although symbolic, these associations highlight humanity's long-standing fascination with how blood connects to character and identity. People with a positive blood may be more susceptible to insulin resistance if they consume high-fat diets. Their metabolism handles carbohydrates efficiently but struggles with excessive animal fats. Nutritionists recommend balanced meals with moderate fat intake and plenty of plant-based foods to maintain energy and heart health. Overall, a positive blood type signifies balance and stability in human biology. Its genetic makeup offers both strengths and vulnerabilities, from efficient immunity to unique dietary needs. Understanding this blood type helps individuals make informed choices about health, nutrition, and lifestyle, living stronger and longer. And that's it. 50 fascinating and detailed facts about a positive blood type. Which fact surprised you the most? Was it about the immune system, the diet, or maybe the evolutionary background? Tell us your favorite fact in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. It really helps the channel grow and motivates us to make more amazing fact videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and remember, your blood type tells more about you than you might think. See you in the next video.